Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for January 17th, 2017 for your Tuesday. We're going to have rain today across a good portion of the coverage area. Generally at our half-inch total rainfall, but we could have a little bit of an icy start across northeastern Pennsylvania. And that is just going to be very early this morning, we think, and I don't think this is going to be as extensive as the freezing rain advisories that were in place yesterday indicate. So I don't think they're going to be quite as far south, and it will not be as expansive as those advisories would indicate, just because the shorter range stuff that I'm looking at now indicates that the precipitation will come in a little bit later and at a time where the temperatures are starting to rise above freezing, except for those areas across northeastern PA. Let's go over to the NAM high res. Sorry, this is the high resolution rapid refresh model, and this is at 3 a.m. Just giving you an idea of what the simulated radar looks like at this time. I just want to point out the areas below freezing are all up here in this area, north of that line. This is your below freezing areas, and that's it. Everywhere else is at least slightly above freezing at this point. So we'll go to. So keep an eye on these pink circles or magenta circles here. As you go a little bit forward here, here's 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Still got not really much at all. Now we have some rain moving into, just plain rain moving into our western areas, into areas like State College and out here in Cumberland, Perry, Franklin counties are starting into the rain here at this point at 6 a.m. Going a little bit forward from that, we do at 7 a.m. start getting, and 8 a.m. start getting some light freezing rain across the far northern regions of the Poconos. So this area, again, this area right here is your area that you have to watch for anything north of there, for some light freezing rain at this point. But further south, I think this is all going to come in as rain, and the temperatures will be a little bit too warm because this is now 8 a.m. So we go to the next frame here at 9 a.m., and everywhere is looking like it's above freezing, which is a good thing. We have less freezing rain, the better, and I don't fault the National Weather Service for issuing those advisories so far south and so extensive, just because when you're dealing with ice, it only takes a slight glaze of ice, or a few hundredths of an inch, to cause problems on area roadways. So that is always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to a freezing rain advisory or any kind of winter weather advisory in association with freezing rain. That is definitely the case, and I don't fault it for that whatsoever. But this does come through. Here's a look at 10 a.m. Into the afternoon hours. We start getting some locally heavy rain that comes through here in the mid-afternoon hours here. So it could get a little bit heavy at times. And then this moves out from west to east, and I think we do start tapering off here in the evening hours, and then we do improve. This is any freezing precipitation that does occur across northeastern Pennsylvania will change over quickly to just plain rain during the course of the morning, and it will remain that way until it ends. We do have some leftover showers overnight, some areas of fog developing as that warm front moves through, and we have a cold front that's going to move through here. We'll still have an opportunity for an early shower here Wednesday, but I think you do have improving conditions, at least to mostly cloudy later in the day here on Wednesday. But it's going to be mild for the next couple of days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't think it's going to be it's going to be mild. It's not going to be exceptionally mild, but it's going to be milder, to the point where we have temperatures that are running about 10 to 15 degrees above normal generally through that stretch. So it's going to be a little bit warmer. For actually a longer stretch than that. We're looking at temperatures going to be above normal until about the 27th or 28th, thereabout, and then we start going back to near to slightly below normal at that point. We do have another opportunity for some rain coming in here. This is going to be later in the day here on Friday, so just some light showers here, it looks like, and that'll go into the overnight hours and then dissipate. Saturday and Sunday right now look dry, and that's what we're showing you here. Here's a look at Saturday and Sunday. Nothing really going on as far as precipitation is concerned, but we will have an east wind here, so we'll have some conflicting data here as far as what to expect here for Friday and Saturday. So we'll see what happens. But right now it looks like, or excuse me, Saturday and Sunday. We'll see what happens. Right now the models are indicating anything from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. So we'll just keep a partly to mostly cloudy forecast right now for the weekend, and we'll just adjust as we get a little bit closer, so confidence isn't really high on the amount of cloud cover we're going to have over the weekend. So right now it looks like it's dry, though, on both days. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for January 17th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.